Hello everyone, thank you so much for liking my earlier video and welcome to Gleanio channel. If you didn't subscribe my Gleanio channel yet, please subscribe this channel to get the notification on useful video. In this video, I'm going to tell about the div. What is div? Div is basically container which is used to, group the HTML elements to make the block label box. For example, if you need to create header block which has a logo, slogan and menu, the HTML codes for this logo and slogan and menu could be grouped into div, which would be referred as a header section. Let's move to another example here. Look at this web page. It has various sections. This is header section, this is for sidebar section, okay, this is main content area, and this is footer. Each section is here. It's created by using div and CSS. Let's explore the HTML code for this web page. Look at here. This is div for header section. Okay, so this is grouping all HTML elements for this header section. This is for sidebar, and this is for main content area, and this is for footer. So you can see here is div, it's grouping the HTML elements to make a particular section. So div makes really easy to create this whole layout. Let's know the other aspect about div. Div is kind of block element, which means the next element after div would be displayed on next line over the browser. Let's see this example in browser. Look at here. This line doesn't start from here. Okay, so if we replace this div with the span tag, look at here. Now this line it starts from here. There is another interesting thing here. Okay, so div doesn't changes any visual effect unless we use the CSS. What does mean this? If we see this in browser, it look like this. Okay, if we remove the div from here, there is no any visual changes. Next slide is about width and height about div. Div takes 100% width by default and it applies the height as content available. For example, if we see this in browser, it look like this, and if we apply the background color for this div, like I would say background would be like triple D here. Look at here, the color spreads all over the div with 100%. If we increase the content inside the div, the height of div would be increased. For example, let's increase the content and refresh here. Look at here, the height of div is increased. So after using the div, it's really easy to maintain your HTML code. For example, in this HTML code, you want to change at any section, you can just find that section by using ID or class. Let's say you want to change at footer section, and your footer div is ready to change. Okay, and if you change the if you want to change the position of any section, you can just do this by moving that particular div. So what we have learned today, we learned div is a container for grouping the elements, and you can create the different section using div and CSS. Div is block tag, which means the content before and after div would be displayed on separate line. Div doesn't change the visual effect unless we use the CSS for that div, and after using the div, it's organized and easy to maintain your code. So thank you so much for watching me, and please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time, and bye bye.